comes the jump ball. And first possession goes to Cebu. Number 3 passes to number 5. Number 4 missed that shot. Possession is with that shot. And there's a steal by number 22 Henry. And scores for 2. An easy layup there by number 22. And number 11 drives and missed that shot. And there's a foul. And here comes the possession by Cebu. Guhard Cebu. Abalye passes to Balansag. Balansag passes to Abalye. Abalye drives and no good. And rebound again by Abalye. And it's a traveling violation for Abalye there. Score is 2-0. There is a full court trap here by Guhard Cebu and easily cut by Last Shot Dubai. Abalye passes to Ibanez. Ibanez and rebound by Balansag. Again, Ibanez called for traveling. And again, full court trap here by Guhard Cebu. Albo passes to Tolibas. Out of bounds. Possession goes to Guhard Cebu. Abalye setting up a fake. Passes to Ibanez for 3. No good. And there's a rebound by Balansag. The score is 4-2 in favor of Last Shot. Steal there by Guhard Cebu. Abalye scores 2 points. And the score now is 4-4. Correction on the score. It's 6-2 in favor of Guhard Cebu. And Reyes goes to the free throw line to shoot 2 free throws. The first one is missed by Reyes. And the second one goes in for Reyes. Henry bringing down the ball. Ibanez passes to number 4 and Reyes passes to Albo. out of bounds, same ball. Possession again goes to last shot
14 seconds.
with 14 seconds shot clock. 14 second shot clock. It's a pass break play by Cohort Cebu and
Table substitution.
tapped by
Jersey number 5.
last shot, and possession goes again to Cohort Cebu. Score is 6-3 in favor of Cohort Cebu. Henry taking three, and it's good. Henry for three. Again, full court trap by Cohort Cebu. Again, steal. And fast break run again by Cohort Cebu and converts in 2 points. Again, steal again by Cohort Cebu and converts into 2 points again. And there's a timeout here by last shot.
29 seconds. First half.
After niya magsalita. Ano final score kanina? UST tsaka ano?
New York 73-32.
73?
32.
Possession. Last shot basketball.
And the possession here by last shot. And the relentless trap of Cohort Cebu is making wonders for them.
Table.
Same ball.
Shot clock. 14 seconds.
And shot clock reads 14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
And out of bounds.
Shot clock. 9 seconds.
Last shot takes the possession. Rebound by number 27. It gets fouled.
Foul jersey number 11.
That's number 27.
First
Oh,
personal foul. Second team foul. The shots on.
on the free throw is JJ Ong, shooting 2 free throws. First one does not go in. Rebound there by Tulibas, but blocked by Henry. What a nice pass to Abalye. And here again, a full court trap by Cohort Cebu.
Kulang oy.
Number 27, JJ Ong, scores 2 points. Again, shot taking 3. And there's a foul by number 5.
Foul jersey number 3. Substitution. Jersey number 3. Substitution.
Correction on the foul. The foul is on number 3.
The shots on goal.
On the line is number 22, DJ Albo. Second one goes in for Albo. Kasul, traveling violation there by Kasul. The ball goes back to Lasha. JJ Ong forces inside and gets fouled. On the line again, it's JJ Ong shooting two free throws. First one does not go in. Second free throw. Does not go in. Score is 15-7 in favor of Go Hard Cebu. Ibanez on the middle jumper. Rebound there by JJ Ong. And top there by number 7.
Shot clock, 15 seconds.
Kasul. Number 21, Kines. Passes to number 24. Who's 3? Oh. Rebound by Albo. Albo. The pass is taken away by Kasul.
Foul jersey number 22.
And
That is
there's a foul on that
first personal foul.
possession by DJ Albo.
Time remaining 9 minutes. The first half is the score 15-7.
Gomez.
Favor of
Passes to Lagarsha.
Cebu.
Passes to Ibanez. Forces inside and gets fouled.
Foul jersey number 5.
And foul is on number 5.
Then first personal foul. 13 foul.
Number 5 is Lucas Cruz. And on the free throw, Ibanez. First free throw is short. And second free throw goes in for Ibanez. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul jersey number 9.
Foul is number on jersey number 9.
50 foul.
Lagarsha passes to number 9 and steal by number 21 Kines. Passes to number 24 Mariano. And Lagarsha passes to Gomez. Pass again to Ibanez on the middle. Passes to number 9 Garcia, and sorry, missed there by number 7 Kasul. Defensive rebound there by JJ Ong and gets a foul to shoot 2 free throws.
Second, number 9. Second.
First free throw is good for JJ Ong. Again, there is a foul. Session goes back to last shot. Kines on the drive and passes to Cruz. Rebound by Mariano. And still there by Mariano. Out of bounds there by Gohard Cebu. And shot clock 15 seconds. And a backcourt violation by last shot.
Shot clock, 40 seconds.
Lagancia to Casul. Casul on the lefty layup and it's good for Casul. The score now is 18-8 in favor of Gohard Cebu. And a nice pass there and one play by Mariano. Good pass there by Kines. And the ball free throw for Mariano. And it is missed. And a very fast break run. Spoiled by last shot. Gohard Cebu. And there's a 3-point there by number 30. And another 2 points for number 30, Rodina. Back-to-back shots there by number 30. Reduna. And out of bounds. Possession goes to Gohard Cebu. There's a dribbling violation there by Gomez. Again, the press, the full court press by Gohard Cebu. And the 2 points there by JJ Ong. Garcia short on that one. Another layup by number 4, Gomez. Score here now is 25-12 in favor of Go Hard Cebu. A pass break run not completed by the last shot. Possession goes to Go Hard Cebu. Gomez. Pass is taken away by Kines. And there's a foul. And foul is number 6, Amores.
Number 6, Amores.
2 shots for Lucas Cruz. First free throw does not go in. Seconds on the game clock.
15 seconds.
Out of bounds. And possession goes to last shot. And a steal here by Go Hard Cebu. At the end of the first half, our score 25-13 in favor of last shot. We will be right back. And back to the ball game. Start of the second half. Score now is 25-13.
Alam mo nang gagawin dyan.
Second half.
Out of bounds. Possession goes to Go Hard Cebu. A baile to Banyes. To Balangkas. Kasul and
Sabihin mo apelido. Gusto nyo na shoot. Kabanyero. Alam nyo yun, ha? Kasi parang ito, juicy number 0. Para tayo sa barangay. Kami memorize mo yung brother. Ako
thank you, coach.
makikita mo yan. Ha? Oo.
Reyes to Kines. Albo for 3, and that's good for DJ Albo. Gets the 3. Henry to Ibanez, to Castle, and back to Ibanez. Nice pass to Balangas, and 2 points for Balansag. Correction, that's Balansag, number 11. And sorry miss there by number 25, Colibas, and Abale to Castle.
7.
Gets the 2 points. And possession goes to last shot. Castle to Abalye. To Balansag, to Henry. To the corner, Ibanez. That's good for Ibanez. Blocked there by Castle, and possession goes to last shot, and with the 10 seconds on the shot clock remaining. And a pass break rough by Henry, and Henry converts that 2 points. Steal. Perez to Albo. Rebound by Reyes, passes to Albo. Albo to Ong, and missed there.
Foul number 7. Substitution.
And at the line is JJ Ong shooting 2 free throws. First one is no good for Ong. And the second free throw is good. Session here is Go Hard Cebu. So Ibanez kicking out to there's a dribbling violation there.
Pushing foul, number 9. That is 4th. Personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
Last shot here. Goes for 3. That's number 15. Reyes. Connected with that 3 points.
Thank you. Thank you.
And 2 points there by number 29, Perez. Gagasha, nice pass to Castle. Let's start for 2 points. Session here by Gohard Cebu. The score is 45-25 in favor of Gohard Cebu. And it's a traveling call there against Ibanez. Two points there by Ibanez. And the rebound goes to Castle, and Castle serves it up for 2 points. And there's a foul again. Foul is on number 3. And timeout here by Gohard Cebu. The score is 51-25 in favor of Gohard Cebu. We'll be right back. At the line is JJ Ong, shooting 2 free throws. And the first one is good for JJ. And second one is short.
Free throw violation.
Our score is 51-26 in favor of
Thank you.
Gohard Cebu with a remaining time of
Still.
4 minutes and 19 seconds in the second half.
Reyes.
2 points there by number 15, Reyes.
Wala ka ba sa sariling utak? Alam, palakitin mo. Dali-dali lang yun eh.
Traveling violation. Traveling 3 minutes, 35 seconds.
There's a turnover there by Gohard Cebu. The ball is with last shot UAE.
2 points, Reyes.
2 points there by number 15, Reyes. Gomez, turn around, jump shot, no, and
Para.
turnover out of bounds. The ball goes to last shot UAE.
That is first person in foul. 14 fouls. Substitution.
Pag nag-call yung Garcia na yun, fouled out ko na. Oy, pag nag-call yung number na yun, fouled out ko na.
And turnover there by last shot UAE. Out of bounds. And we're nearing the last 2 minutes of the ball game. It's a foul.
Defensive foul, number 4.
Offensive foul there by number 4, Gomez.
Second person foul.
And we're on to the last 2 minutes of the ball game.
Last 12 minutes.
Reyes on the drive.
Foul on jersey number 4. That is substitution.
Sasabi ko lang sa'yo eh.
That's personal foul, jersey number 4. Shots. Perez.
Hindi. Sinimas na yung kanina ng batter dun.
Pasok. Reyes sinks the second free throw.
1 minute, 44 seconds.
And the score is 51-32 in favor of Gohard Cebu with 1 minute and